USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links so you can get this robot and grow your money 135% in 5 years on automation. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, check out the brokers here and join my free telegram. So subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we are above the EMA. Okay. In daily as well, we are above the EMA. And in 4 hours as well, we are above the EMA. Okay. But we are not making new highs. So this high is not broken. This high is not broken yet. But still, in all time frames, the price is above the EMA. So I would say look for longs after the pullback in 4 hour. Okay. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like and share. Join free telegram, get the robot if you want and print some money, and you can talk to me, you can book consultation. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.